So you have live conference or presentation next week, but some of the participants don't speak your language. With JotMe, you can share live AI translation with this desktop application. Simply, you go to Share Live Translation tab with the URL, make sure this feature is on, and generate URL. What this does is to generate a QR code when you maximize the translation tab. And from here, participant can scan QR code and connect to your meetings. They can enter emails, preferred language, and then join meetings. Let me show you how this works. Just like this, I just enter the meeting, and then I'm able to get live translation as fast as what you're displaying right here. After meeting, all of the participants who gave us a consent get a meeting notes via email. And all of the transcript that was generated will be combined in this meeting note. So for example, participant wanted Japanese to English instead of English to Japanese. That Japanese transcript will be together in this transcript. It's same for Chinese, Korean, Turkish, French, Spanish, any language will be combined. As you can see, meeting notes is already shared with the participant. Hey at JotMe.io. If you're curious and if you still don't have application, go to JotMe.io and download application for free and let us know what you think. Until next video, see you later.